Auf die drei, herzlichen Glückwunsch, Conrad, Theodor, Bahlsen!
Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sleep on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Up to my chin, won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sit on the sleepless night.
I'm very happy and I'm excited. I like the track and it was a very, very good weekend for me.